Well, hello there, it's Ina here, and welcome to my art room. Today it's time for me to work in my art journal, so I removed one of the loose leaf pages I like to work on. This is chipboard, which is nice and sturdy. I added a coat of gesso, and now I am just using my stencil and some stencil paint. It's basically just a thick paint and it gives me a little bit of texture to start with. Of course, I had to wait for it to dry before adding these pieces of craft tissue paper. It has an architectural design and lines going through it, plus a different type of fonts and script. So I just added here and there using my Mod Podge. Now, as I said in the beginning, I have not worked in my art journal for quite a while. I neglected it in favor of working on all of my 3D projects. I just love working on my assemblages. But I know that it's really important for me, and I think for any artist, to work in different art forms. It's just really inspiring. It opens up new doors, it gives new ideas, and art journals are especially convenient for that. First of all, well, they usually don't take as much time as many other projects. They're usually not as messy either. And you can try out ideas, something that you may want to do in some other art form. They're also great for trying out mediums, new things, new combinations. They're also a very good personal space where you can put down anything that is meaningful to you. But today I want to use this page to try out an idea, something that in the future I might turn into an assemblage. And as you can see here, yes, I am using my hands a lot because, well, I was in the mood of getting my hands dirty and just have a good play. So I hope you will enjoy this process. Like always, it's simple, it's easy, nothing complicated about this. And I will put all the mediums I will be using and anything else you may need to know in the captions. So please enjoy some music and I will talk to you towards the end. So let's take another look at my completed page. I very much like the background. You can still see the stenciling, lots of layers. And then here on the bottom, I added a magazine phrase. It says, an experience you will love. And I added or not, because these fishes are a bit scary. But I had so much fun working on them. I love the way they came out. They have a slight texture as well. They look great against that faux window. And I think the combination of matte and metallic colors worked really well together here. So making mechanical fish is something I might try in the future as an assemblage. For now, I'm happy with the outcome of this thing. I hope you enjoyed your time with me. Come and see me soon again, and bye bye for now.